Hey y'all, it's your girl Wanna Be Natural, and I am finally back with another video. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And I'm gonna show y'all how I do my brows every day. Yes, because I'm always getting questions about that. But before you continue to watch, please hit that subscribe button. I think I just spit, so it's that serious. Please hit the subscribe button and join my family. I'm trying to start an empire here, okay? Okay, we're gonna show you how I do these brows, girl. And guys, okay? Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to take this LA Colors brow pencil with the spoolie on the end and just brush my hairs up and over. And I'm gonna do that on both sides. Next, we're going to take just a brown, dark brown eye pencil. Make sure that it's sharp. Once it's sharp, I'm going to go ahead and carve out my brow shape the way I want it. And I'm trying to grow my brows out. That's why they're a little woofy looking. And you want to take your time when you're drawing out your brow with the pencil, just so they don't look too harsh, and be light-handed with it. And then I lightly fill in a little bit, and I'm going to do the other brow the same way. I'm going back with that LA Colors brow pencil, and the color I have is like a light brown, and I'm just going to fill in all over my brow with this brow pencil that had the spoolie on the end that I used to fluff up my brows at the beginning of the video. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. brow gel and set my brows with the clear brow gel from e.l.f. Then I go back with the spoolie and just make sure the hairs are going the way I want them to go, and make sure I don't have any harsh lines from where I drew out my brows. I stole this hack from Alyssa Forever, where I take a little mascara and I'm going to use it on my brows, and it really gives a little texture to the brow and make them pop a little more, in my opinion. So shout out to Alyssa Forever. Then I go back with the spoolie and just make sure the brows are still flowing the way I want them to flow, since I put the mascara on top. I don't get my brows waxed or arched. I just pluck them and cut them myself, so that's what I'm doing, just kind of making sure it's not looking too wild. Then I take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fun, and it's about my skin tone, so it's not going to be like too dramatic, and I'm just going on the bottom half of the brow. This just makes it a little more clean, and then I bring the excess product down, and I'm going to blend that into my eyelid before I put on my eyeshadow for the day. I'm going to do the same thing on the other brow. just a little bit. Then I go back to my brows and just put a little powder on top to make sure everything is set. And that is pretty much it, y'all. So it's not too hard and it's pretty simple. And this is how it looks in natural light. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.